guys, Mason here, and I'm out riding today with DVsADVentures and ShooterTech. DV's on the KLR 650, but he is sporting a new to him set of full Kojin suspension, so that's exciting. And as I'm sure you're aware by now, ShooterTech's got the Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro.
Take off at corners now. I'm gonna have to get all the engine wadding done.
Oh, well, you gotta have something to work on in the winter. Well, if this thing's doing the same thing it was doing last time, I think I've got another USB port going down.
Oh,
these may just be shit. I may have to find a new supplier.
So what are you losing your charging again?
Just on the one port.
Oh, really?
Just switch it now to see if it's the port. It could be the cable that goes to the Garmin too. I'll have to do some troubleshooting later.
Might as well go straight, eh?
Sure. Oh. Wow. It was like a wave of crushed stone.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Apparently I have some kind of weird traction setting, because normally I would never do that.
I ducked, so I'm not sure whether I fully got it on camera, but it's just like being back in the track. I did tip my head for my roof shield though. That's what visors actually are.
Oh yeah.
Well, if you didn't get it, I got the smoke screen.
This is the James Bond bike. So.
Ah, I see. So I got the projectiles and you got the smoke screen, DV.
Sure did. I'm still here to tell the tale though.
Nice.
Paved corners up here, despite what DV says, they are a two-way road. We came through here a week or two ago and DV was taking up the whole road through the corner and we met a car and he's like, oh wait, there's oncoming traffic on this road.
That tightened you up.
Yeah, right through here.
I deny everything.
Well, I can tell you, this is the set of corners that taught me how to ride.
Yeah, no doubt, close to home there.
This was every out and every in. There's been a lot of howlers through here on the 12.
Yeah, boys. Yeah, I'm back here. At least I know where you came from, Mason. That's a hint.
We're gonna have to add signal cancels on the Mason's bike.
Yeah.
No, I was just getting ready. Oh, are we not going right here?
Left. Yeah.
This looks a lot like Oxenden.
Downtown. Now we're in the suburbs and back out in the country.
It's nice. Yeah, this suspension's way tighter now.
Yeah? Good. Yeah, that should make a big difference. A lot of turns. How's yours feel, Shoot?
Ah, pretty good. Again, I don't ever remember bottoming the back out.
No, I remember it feeling soft when I got on it the first time. So I'm sure that's made a difference.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. So I've got the zero gravity windshield now.
Right.
Not the great big giant one on.
Nice. And?
That does the exact same wind wise without having the big thing in front of me.
And that's clear, right? That one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Double bubble makes a good screen. Well, a lot of people make a good screen. You know, Shooter had the Moose Racing one. Dad's got the Chrono Parts one on now. It's actually pretty cool. It's very angular, very sharp corners.
Oh yeah.
Actually, it is wicked looking. I wish they'd make a little one like this with just some nice angles, nice sharp lines.
Well, the stock one on this in my height at 95 kilometers, the wind just bashed my head around. And I do notice the difference on these zero gravity ones.
Good. Like better or worse, you mean?
Better, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Tell you, I gotta work this baby this year. Woo!
Like that should I even touch it.
Holy cow, do I have to make her work.
That's the cool part, is this is not even touching the throttle.
No, I know. Well, I haven't had to like downshift and really get aggressive yet, but I've gotta get on early and hold it to the stop.
Your fuel mileage will be way down.
Yeah, it will.
All right, guys, I'm back.
Hey! Hey! Works up in the middle of pine cones.
Oh, good, fresh gravel.
I don't think I like being behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah.
Yeah, he puts a lot of rock up.
Yeah, he does.
You guys can lead. You'll be faster than me up here anyway.
No, you're good.
Oh, I won't be fast through this stuff.
There's a car right here, be careful.
Oh, great. That's exactly what I needed.
Always stay outside on these.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay if you're back in the line and somebody's calling them out, but...
That's right. That's true.
Well, I'm glad you called it.
Yeah, it was right on the corner.
Oh, it's such an excellent temperature. Boy,
Yeah.
I wish the entire summer was like this, guys.
Well, my thing's saying 20 right on the button,
There you go.
but that's maybe because we were just at the water too. But
Beautiful. It's perfect.
perfect. When we turn up here, I'm going to stop for a second, change some settings, but you guys just carry on. Bump on the inside there. Somebody else can lead here.
I don't know this, but
Yeah, you've been through here.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
Coming through.
Yeah, I'm just staying off the right here. Are you going by, DV?
Doesn't matter.
You can.
Okay.
Talk to me about that suspension, DV.
Well, I wasn't even thinking about it as of yet, so
Are
that's
you
probably
noticing?
a good sign.
Maybe, yeah. Is it a little stiffer?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, notably.
We can hear rocket plates.
So, oh, I guess you're up there. I'm like, do I need to be watching for cars?
No, I got you.
But there's a sharp right there.
Yeah, I'm turning now, so I can't see if anything comes down that other straight at you.
Gotcha. Ooh, big corner.
There is a little bit of wet in here, guys.
Yeah.
A little bit of puddles that we didn't have on the other side. But other than that, all clear.
Oh, I'm glad I have this suspension.
There you go. Sounds like his rebound's about right then, Mark.
Yeah, no, it took him really good. Because he hit that one rock kind of wrong spot.
Gotcha.
Would have launched with it.
I think so.
Up over the knoll, and there's some big water. Not big, but you got to kind of dinky dodge.
Already passed it.
No, I think he'd be great.
No, I just went over it.
Oh, you did? Oh, I see it now. Which side did you go on?
Right then left.
Oh, I'm going all left.
I'm just going through it. Crazy.
Attaboy.
Crazy like that. Just the one. Lost Mason.
That was close.
Maybe you should have gone second.
Way back here.
Oh, I thought because you could see me, I thought you were on my tail.
Oh no, I think you're around that corner. I'm just going way too Just at that corner now. So.
I had to keep my head down.
Yeah.
Oh, big bumps.
There's a stop sign right there.
Yeah. Oh, you're not back, are you?
No, not yet.
Group intercom.
Why, thank you. So your comms aren't there.
Music.
I'm trying to get her to connect. Will you go next so I can film?
Don't you want to be in the film?
No.
Well, that's not very narcissistic of you.
It's not very narcissistic of me?
Yeah.
Oh, you did say that.
Yeah.
I guess it isn't.
Nope.
No, sorry. I will attempt to be more narcissistic.
Yeah.
Okay. Why aren't you both filming me?
Well,
Like right now? Is that narcissistic or?
you see me turn my head? I tried to look back.
Really loose when you cross the center.
It's really loose when you're on a KLR.
Two wheels and gravel? Loose. Period.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm being a wimp today on this corner.
No, you're not. I'm not going around that much quicker than that.
Where were we? Well, that was you, me, and Benham the other day. DV. Donnie goes. DV goes around the corner. He's like, "Oh, I'm almost in the ditch," and I was following him like, "I am in the ditch." I went even wider than he did.
And he was in the ditch.
Yeah, some of them snake up.
No, it was one of those things where I was watching his line, right, instead of picking my own.
Do I need to know anything?
Exhale. You start with that.
Okay. And nothing else? What about...
And you have to have the clutch in here to start it.
And then after that, you don't need this for the clutch?
Just for first gear. But you can use it like you normally do.
Yeah.
But you can just shift.
Okay.
As long as you can't upshift if you're coasting.
Holy crap, this is small.
It feels small.
I'm just going to add one wee little thing because I don't know, that'll be the most powerful thing you've ever ridden.
Yeah,
So throttle control, buddy. Like, don't crack it like the KLR.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you just ride. Oh, the KLR. They are a comfortable bike, aren't they?
Oh, I tell you. They are what they are, right? Just
It's awesome. I don't know what gear you left me in.
here we go. Look at this.
So, do you want to
right.
lead it then?
You're going right though.
Who's leading?
You should likely set the pace.
You want to follow?
I'm going to do this really wide turn. Holy crap!
Yeah, there's a big power difference.
Yeah, just a bit. Good Lord. I'm going 100 already.
I'll catch up.
It certainly is no joke, eh?
Oh, it's awesome. Oh, I so badly want to gun it.
Yeah, it's a fully functioning street bike, like a proper street bike with off-road capability. And it shows as soon as you get on it, it's like being back on a sport bike again.
So this is by far the most I've ever ridden. Oh, I'm doing 110.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like 106 or so is 100.
106 is 100?
Yeah, something like that, right around there. Because that bike does look good from behind.
Oh yeah. Wait till he hits the brakes. She lights up like a freaking Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I'll show you.
Look at that. Beautiful. I love that. That is, oh man, they should all have that, I'll tell you. Something about the red turn signals, it's just really cool.
Oh man, I got another gear. Oh, I shouldn't have rode this.
I forgot how buzzy these things were.
I think I noticed that on his too. I'm just going to chalk that up to it being new.
Okay, yeah, because I don't remember mine vibrate my feet like
I don't think mine's too bad either.
like I feel my feet really bad.
Oh, right.
Where I don't remember that on mine.
There's nothing been done to the engine either though, right?
No,
Yeah.
that's right.
Oh man.
So that power though is like cruising the highway all day, right? It'll just eat up the miles, low RPMs. Lots of torque from passing, like that's where that excels. And then the ability to detune with the electronic systems for off-road, it should be a nice balance.
Oh, these twisties, man, I want to be going about 130.
Yeah.
It feels like a sports bike. That's
Oh yeah.
But it has like with the risers on it, it's alright. It's comfortable. Before I put those on, you were slouched over a little bit more.
Yeah, it was sportier before, right? Because you had a little bit more, hunker down.
I'm not a huge fan of the seat.
Oh no?
No, this little ridge thing.
Oh, because you're right back against the
Oh yeah.
the passenger seat.
I just find myself sliding around all the time on mine. I'm sure you get used to it. There's rocks all over the road here.
No, they won't do. They think they're going to do something, but they don't.
It's so stable on these corners. Well, I don't know about this one. I haven't done it yet.
There's no like fall in like these things.
No.
Yeah, the KLRs, you kind of got to lift them out of the corner.
That was a dirty trick. Did you see that, Coase? They closed the throttle just a touch at exit to make us roll off and then hammered it.
Yeah.
just as we lose all forward momentum. That's playing dirty.
That was, I'm going to slow down. Oh, wait a second. I'm on this bike.
Thoughts?
Well, it's too bad that it slows down so smoothly. because like it's boring. I really like this bike.
Yeah, it's beautiful. After riding that and the 790 this year, and I'm just going to assume that the T7's as great without all the electronics, of course.
Yeah.
But I don't think I think whatever you like, whatever looks the best to you, I don't think you can go wrong.
No, I think they're all
They've
great
come,
bikes.
yeah, they've come so far, and the shit is so good.
Oh, it's too bad your kickstand comes down so easily. Don't know how to turn it off though.
Yeah, the key's hidden.
You just say, "Hey, Triumph."
Shut her down.
Well, I'm gonna let you get your key out.
Hey, Triumph, turn off.
I don't know if I can get off this bike. I'm afraid it's gonna fall.
It sits really up, eh? Like it doesn't lean much at all.
No, Dad's was the same. So was
Yeah, mine was too.
Shooters. Well, that was fun. It's exciting.
Intercom disconnected.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.